It's time to party, isn't it? Yes? I can't hear you. Are you ready to party? Alright, we're going to start the party right now, not later, but at this very moment. Before we start, please allow me to introduce myself. I am your sweet host. My name is Rose. I'm a media and events correspondent of a particular network, and I'm so happy to be here. Thank you very much, Mr. and Mrs. Ortega. Ayan. So, right now, we are going to have a special celebration. Hi, Senora. Hi, Tita. What is your name?
Aisa,
Okay, how are you related to Mark?
Ibor,
Ibor. And are you expecting that this wonderful evening will be an extravagant moment for her?
of course.
Definitely. Okay, let's start. But of course, we are going to have the first part of the program. Ayan po, we would like to request everybody, lahat po muna tayo, sumandali, let's all rise. Tayo po muna tayong lahat because this wonderful, thank you very much Lord for giving us a very nice weather tonight. And with that, we would like to call on Rowie. Okay, and of course, she will be the one who will take care of the prayers. So may we please welcome, of course, the very supportive and loving Rowie. So please, of course, stand up and put ourselves into the presence of our Lord.